Are you struggling to make your outfits look chic and polished, but something always feels off? Maybe your colors are not working together, or maybe your outfit just looks flat. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 common color mistakes that might be ruining your outfit, and most importantly, how to fix them.
And when I'm out, I'm looking for
Hello beautiful people, my name is Elena. A warm welcome back to my channel. I'm a professional stylist with over 12 years of experience, and I know everything about colors. Colors are my passion. I know all the undertones and shades of the color wheel, and I am so excited to share my expertise with you. Mistake number 1, and let's start with something simple and easy to digest. And actually this is my favorite mistake because I make this specific mistake quite often, so don't think that I'm flawless here. So mistake number 1, accidentally creating an unintended association. So this one is not from the color theory approach. Technically, it's more about psychological impact our color choices have on us. This happens when we create an outfit that unintentionally resembles something specific, like a comic character or a fun theme. For example, looking like a Christmas tree. Hello, Christmas tree color combination is here. Yep, this specific green color paired with this specific red color may end up with making you look like a cartoon character. There's nothing wrong with doing this intentionally if your goal is to create a specific emotional reaction, but it's definitely a no-no if you are aiming for a serious, elegant, and chic outfit. My recommendation: swap green for a classic brown. Brown and red make a perfect, well-balanced pairing because they combine a grounding basic color, which is brown here, with a vibrant accent, which is red here. So if you love diving into the color theory, here's why it works. So brown is essentially a darkened orange. That's why the combination of brown and red is considered to be an analogous color combination. Analogous colors are those who sit close to each other on the color wheel, and they are considered to be one of the best, one of the most cohesive and flattering color combinations out there. To make this outfit even better, I added an underlayer, a button-up shirt under the sweater, to bring brighter colors into my portrait zone. This not only adds dimension and interest to the look, but also brightens up my features. And to take it up a notch, I worked with 2 shades of brown, darker brown pants and a medium brown bag. Together they create a tonal element that elevates the look to sophisticated and elegant while still being comfy and wearable. So there you have it, from a no-no color combo to a polished, stylish, casual outfit. And now I want to take a moment and thank Lily Silk for sponsoring this video. Well, you know me, I'm very selective when it comes to sponsors for my channel. I just don't take on any collaboration, but when Lily Silk approached me with this specific idea, I thought, what a beautiful opportunity. I get to talk about my favorite styling, a color topic, share professional value with you, and partner with one of the best, one of the most high quality fashion brands on the market. From cashmere and silk to merino wool, if you're looking for timeless wardrobe staples crafted with exceptional quality, Lily Silk is a brand I always recommend to my clients, and I've got a treat for you: my promo code ELENA20 for 20% off on their website, and ELENA25 for 25% off on orders over 480. So in this look and in this video, I'm wearing a gorgeous woolen cashmere sweater with a half zip-up collar detail. The luxurious, super soft fabric combines cashmere and merino wool. So they use this specific ratio, the golden ratio, 70% wool and 30% of cashmere, because this specific ratio gives truly the best of both worlds: softness of cashmere and durability of merino wool. I sized up by 2 sizes, and actually I'm wearing a size large, but honestly, after filming this video and watching my footage, I would say going up just 1 size would have been enough if you're aiming for a modern and slightly loose fit. And as always, all the links are waiting for you in the description box, and we're moving on mistake number 2. So let's shift gears and dive into the color theory. So mistake number 2, wearing cool and warm whites in one outfit. So before we continue, let me show you a table illustrating the difference between warm and cool whites. So cool whites typically have blue or gray undertones, giving a crisp and modern vibe, and warm whites have yellow, vanilla, or red, like rosy, pinkish undertones, and they create a cozy and inviting vibe. So here is an example of how not to wear, not to style white. An ivory white sweater paired with crisp blue-toned white jeans. And to make it even worse, the flat and boring styling of just 2 pieces isn't doing the look any favors. So here's how to fix it. I swapped the jeans for pants in a softer, more natural, warm white hue like the ones I'm wearing here. I also added suede boots in a slightly deeper but still creamy white tone. As you can see, this creates a clean, seamless blend of ivory and cream whites, giving the outfit a luxurious, cohesive and chic vibe. To make this look even more polished, I added accessories that elevate the elegant and chic vibe of this soft, neutral color palette. Absolutely gorgeous color palette for all the chic style lovers out there. And this luxurious white sweater from Lily Silk is crafted from super soft merino wool and cashmere, modern loose cut and neutral timeless design. I love everything about this item. And if you are wondering about the gray color here, like Elena, doesn't gray look like a cool color here? Here's what I have to reply here. First off, I'm not against pairing one warm with one cool color, because honestly, any complementary color combination is about pairing one warm with one cool color, because if you look at the color wheel, you will see that complementary colors are those who sit opposite to each other. That's why they are always cool and warm colors. Like for example, a typical complementary color combination is blue and orange. Blue is a typical cool color, or orange is always a warm color. The problem starts when we pair the same color, like white with white, beige with beige, where 2 colors have different undertones. So there's a huge explanation to that, but I don't want to make this video like 1 hour long, so we'll skip this part, just trust me. And second, strictly speaking, pure gray doesn't have any temperature. Yeah, that's right. Pure gray is simply a mix of black and white, making it an achromatic color with no pigment, no chroma at all. That's why we consider it to have 0 temperature, and that's why we consider gray to be the perfect neutral color. By the way, if you are enjoying this type of a content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram. And we're moving on. Mistake number 3, styling black with other deep and dull colors only. So the result, you might end up looking flat and dull. There is no focal point here. No interest, is just boring. So this solution is add any fresh light color to bring the color combination to life. Light colors brighten up the look, create a focal point, and add dimension, all while keeping the outfit cozy and easy to recreate. So in this example, I'm using white, but you could opt for any shade of white or other pale and light colors, or even bolder, like coral pink, for example, would look glorious. So here I'm showing you a full look from Lily Silk, and I am wearing a silk blouse, a beautiful wardrobe staple that works effortlessly as a standalone piece for dressing up your outfit, especially for a night out, or using it as a layering piece for a more casual everyday vibes. Turtleneck, sleeveless cashmere vest, and this unique brownish, purplish shade is much deeper and richer in real life compared to how it looks on camera. And oh my god, I bought a new camera, but I obviously have to do something with the settings because something feels off here, but trust me, the original color is much deeper and richer than the one you can see here. And these gorgeous black silk pants, you might remember, I have this exact design in white. I've been wearing them for more than a year. Every time I have a trip, I always grab these pants because I know they are so easy to dress up and dress down. They're so versatile, and I remember asking Lily Silk to produce them in black because they're the perfect design. Slimming effect, flowy fabric, pleated details, and elastic back make these pants a top choice for slimming effect. And before we continue, just a gentle reminder, if you're new to my channel, I have developed a very short, very quick, very easy, but highly effective style quiz. Take this quiz, it will take just a few moments, answer a few questions, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. This plan is designed to help you understand what you might be doing wrong and guide you towards better decisions. Follow the link in the description box. And always remember that you are just one click away from transforming your personal style together with me and with my team. Mistake number 4, only neutrals failure. Pairing random neutrals and hoping that somehow they will make your outfit work. Well, how many times have I heard this phrase that you just can't go wrong with the neutrals? Well, there's some truth to that, but let's be honest. Have you ever put together pieces from your wardrobe, looked in the mirror and nothing, no magic, no sparkle, just a flat, uninspired outfit? The colors simply don't work the way you imagined? Here's an easy and quick solution for all the minimalists out there. So pair neutrals with the same level of lightness and don't forget to include some tonal duos. I will explain what I mean. So in my case, I am pairing gray with beige. Both colors share the same level of lightness. Notice how neither one feels darker or heavier than the other. They are equal in their value. And to elevate the look, I added a medium brown bag as a tonal match to my skirt. Neutral beige and brown are essentially the same color, just with a slight difference in lightness. That's why it's a tonal duo. And here's a color palette for your inspiration. And my super soft wrap cardigan is made from a luxurious cashmere and silk blend. What could be more chic? I love its relaxed and cozy vibe, which makes it perfect for casual, laid-back looks, but also versatile enough to dress up when paired with more polished pieces. And mistake number 5, going over the top with bold and vivid colors. If you think that flat and one-dimensional styling applies only to combining dull and deep colors, well, think again. This type of styling can be just as flat. The only difference, instead of blending into the background, it screams for attention. But here's the catch. It's still flat because there is no interplay of shades. Thoughtful use of a color means creating a balanced mix of neutrals and accents in your outfit. So if you gravitate toward bold, vivid styling, go for it. Wear your bright, bold colors, but don't forget to ground them down with neutrals. For example, here I have paired the same bold colors with the brown pants and the brown scarf to water down the intensity, grounding the outfit and creating a balanced and cohesive look. And here we have it, 5 common color mistakes that might be ruining your outfit. I do truly hope that I brought you some value today and I have inspired you to bring more colors into your everyday styling, not to be afraid of them, because I truly believe that colors are not only about styling, I truly believe that they bring energy and joy to your life. You know the drill. Share this video with someone who might love it too. Don't forget to drop your comments and see you in the next one. You are still here, it means you want to watch another video. My recommendation would be 6 fashion mistakes you're probably making and cost-free fixes. That was fall winter edition. Click, click, click and see you there.